Cannon Rebel for our anniversary.
We're going on a tunnel.
We didn't have a clue how to work it. So she's like, oh, here's
I really hope I got that on camera, I gotta say. That was funny. The tunnel's coming. You ready? I love the tunnel. I need a tunnel! Woo! Nice.
I can't wait too.
This is Sean's new house. He just moved in. It's pretty nice. This is his bathroom.
Hey, there's copper.
It's a two-part condo.
you can grab those.
Let's go inside. That's calm.
No, that way. Still getting ready. Here we go.
There's no more light. No more.